Today unboxing is on the new Tomica release for the month of November. The latest release are the Mitsubishi Delica and also the pair of awesome Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. I got this thankfully from Tomica shop at Tomica station in Tokyo last weekend, the first day when it was released. And very lucky to get the first color Aventador as well, about 7 PM. And now let's take a closer look at the Mitsubishi Delica in black. First impression at the scale of 1:65 is a huge casting. It comes with standard Tomica suspension with the standard button wheels without any opening parts. I like the body color in black, which looks really clean cut with a gloss finish. The front grille are printed alongside with the Mitsubishi logo, and also you can see the huge Delica logo type along with the logo on the rear. Overall, it's a pretty rigid and boxy casting, but given its size and weight, it definitely makes your penny worthwhile. Next, the casting which I'm looking very forward to, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in green, which is the regular release. You can see the Lamborghini authentication sticker on the box. Wow, this mainline is awesome. It really got the wow factor and it really impressed me. I really like the striking green body color with pearl finish, and let's make it very premium. Although the casting has no opening parts, Tomica did a very good job on the front headlights. You can see the printed details on the headlight, which is really a bonus. At the scale of 1:68, the logo is very sharp and that's great. And the headlights really enhance the overall look and feel of this casting. You can see the SVJ logo type on the side and also lots of details on the rear. Next, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in first color release. Wow, this casting looks equally great, if not slightly better than the regular release. What I really like is the bronze trimmings around the casting, which enhance its premiumness. And although the body color comes in white, it still looks very premium and very sporty, similar to the regular release. This Lamborghini SVJ in first color will definitely sit well with every collector. And this casting is almost sold out on the first day of its release in Tokyo. In conclusion, this pair of Lambo is a very good contender against the other casting for the best die cast for 2019 for Tomica, and it's definitely a very awesome release. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!